What's up? So we're gonna fill those knuckles on with the new hubs and everything. Like I was saying, I got some new boots for the ball joint, energy suspension, yeah, polyurethane. Shoot. Here's the part number if you guys want. But it worked out pretty good. So I already did the other side because I'm just trying to get things going so I can throw the diff in also and the drive shaft hopefully today, because I did pick that up on Friday during lunch. So yeah, let's throw these in, and basically I just shove a bunch of grease in it and put them in and have at it. So let's get to it. Here's the old boot. It's held on there with a wire. This one was fine until I freaking touched it. Obviously, and it ripped it. So that's why there's really no other way around it, to be honest. But it is what it is. Just pull this off. Grab this old boot. And just this boot is actually pretty good, but it is what it is. So I need to figure this out. The ball joint's spinning. I think I might have a bad bolt, actually, or nut. So I need to kind of find one, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I'll be back. All right, so I stripped this damn bolt. I'm gonna have to get a new one. It's pretty bad, actually. Hopefully I can clean this up with the Dremel and get a new bolt, throw it on there. So anyways, meantime, we're just gonna get these brakes on, finish this up, and call it a day.
I'm not cutting a whole bunch of mine. Or are you trying to play fetch with Ahsoka?
No, those are the damn kids.
Oh, God. What, are they trying to play Noah's Ark? Are they freaking partying the Red Sea?
Noah's Ark, huh?
Yeah, they're partying the Red Sea. done.
I said I was finishing.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah, bro.
Hi, internet.
I got kids on my YouTube channel now.
How many followers do you have?
I don't know. You
Oh,
should
like
follow it.
7.
No, I got like almost 100.
I look disgusting. Whatever.
Drink more beer.
You almost done?
It was on his YouTube channel. I said, hey, ready?
He's not live. He's gonna just edit you out.
I know. No, he won't. This is crucial work.
You shall not
Yeah, Ellie's fucking sleeping, dumbass. Now she ain't. God, you idiot.
You gotta go chat. You gotta go sit down. You're pretty. She's good, dude.
Babysitting that beer. They'll probably edit that out.
Get out. Ahsoka, out.
Next thing to do, put in the axles. Well, I gotta get this bolt first to tighten that guy down. Because I did strip it. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So, anyways, gotta get those axles in and then the diff, and we should be able to go for a test drive. So hopefully I'll get to do that either tomorrow night or some other day. So, anyways, getting there. Don't forget to subscribe. Last video I kind of cut it short. Well, not really, we got quite a bit done, but so basically we left off with this guy. I couldn't see if I can show you. This guy, the bolt stripped out and the tip of the threads kind of got messed up, so basically I took a Dremel to the end of it. You can kind of see there. Took Dremel, kind of just coned it off, and then found this nylon locking nut at the hardware store, so that worked out perfectly fine for me. Again, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on this thing. It should be fine, but until I can replace this arm a little bit later on, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. But here's the new boot. Also, I didn't have anything else to wire these things down. Later on I'll get some wire and properly tie it down, but the zip tie should do fine for now. Did the same thing on this side, but the poly boot worked just fine. I did get the diff back, so where are you? So yeah, we're gonna get the cage in. Here's all his hardware. I'm gonna follow his YouTube video, which is right here. And you basically set the load bolts with it dry. You set those with the factory. He puts 4 in here, 4 bolts, just these 4. Torque it down properly. Hand tighten the load bolts on there. Tighten the nut. I think he said to put Loctite on here, but I don't really think that's necessary. And then we'll mount the cage and then get this thing in the car. So yeah, off we go. So there you have it. Got it all finished up. Don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but whatever. The rear end is all finished up mostly. So we'll get the 8.8 sealed up with the new sealant, whatever, Ultra Gray. And we'll put the Grannis cage on it and throw it back in the car and then get the axles in. So there you go. I know these videos aren't that great, but stick with me. We're doing better and better, I feel like. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. So watch out for the next one. Peace.